Okay, so I have put these two Harbor Freight garages on the property and reinforced them. You can see the steel reinforcement in the ceiling of this one, plus I've done a bunch of additional stakes and a sacrificial tarp and a bunch of other stuff to try to prevent them from succumbing to the wind and the UV out here, both of which are fairly extreme. You can see how much wind we get out here.
Oh yeah.
And it is secured structurally pretty well against the wind with all the reinforcements, but the tarps are still taking a fair amount of damage from the wind. So I originally tried to do some burlapcrete over the top of one of them that didn't really work out very well, so I decided to switch gears and do something different.
Okay. So we're all set up. I got the opal pulled out of the garage. I've got a little prop rod guy here that I'm going to use to help support the roof when I have to crawl around on it a little bit. I'm going to put a piece of plywood on the top of it there to spread the weight. I've got a couple of panels prepped and ready. The rest of it ready to go right there. And you can see the remnants cement there from the failed attempt at the burlapcrete, as evidenced by the one lone piece of partially soaked burlap. All right, well, I'm gonna get to work.
Okay, so I'm basically just leaving the original garage tarp and the sacrificial tarp in place, and I'm going to screw these panels on to the metal structure below right through the tarps, keeping them in place. And I've got that prop rod inside with a piece of plywood at the top to spread the weight. To hold pressure against the ceiling, so as I put a little bit of pressure, I can't crawl around on there, obviously, but as I put a little weight against it, it's taken some of that pressure off of the framework. You can see the garage does still shift a little bit under my weight as I'm leaning against it, though.
Okay, so we're pretty much halfway there, or just shy of halfway, because I still have the cap on the top to do. You can see I'm pretty far down here. I might yet be able to come down further. I think I'm actually going to have extra pieces here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. And if I do 6 on the other side, that'll leave me 4 pieces with the 2 caps. So I should be able to come down one more run down the side and come almost down as far as the sacrificial tarp is. So that's this side done, almost. Right over the tarp. And you can see the arrangement inside that I've been using to support the work here. This is just a Harbor Freight, I guess, pole. I don't remember what this is called. Cargo support, cargo bar. And that seems to be working pretty well. I'm just going to transfer this over to the other side now, and then I'll do the other side, and then the last bit will be to do the that center cap. Okay, I think this is pretty much the final product on this one. So we've got a little bit further down on the opposite side. I got about 1 panel down from the corner from this side. I got an extra panel over here. And of course, this is the side that's fully exposed to the wind, so that's probably good. I think I have it pretty well secured. Between that and the reinforcements, I think this thing is probably going to be able to survive the weather out here. So I guess it was about $500 worth of roofing material. We'll go ahead and do the other one next.